Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to code in Solidity and Ethereum. In this video, we are going to learn about the very important data type called Uint. Uint stands for unsigned integers. So this will be a tutorial for Uint or unsigned integers. Okay? Which means that are integers that could be or positive or zero. No negative numbers are allowed here. This is positive or zero. Uint can have different sizes, from 8 bits to 256 bits. The bigger the size, the more value can store in that number. For example, a uint 8, yes, uint 8 can store 255 values, while a uint 256 can store value from 0 to a huge number that has 77 digits. So we can have uint, we can have uint alone without the size will be an alias for uint 256, and uint 8, for example, is a uint with the size of 8, which stands for 8 bits. So we have uint 16, we have uint 32, and so on until uint 256. Yes? So we know that uint 8, yes, goes from 0 to 255. Where it is originated, this number. So this number is because uint can store 8 bits. What are 8 bits? So if we know, a bit in computer science would be 0 or 1. Yes, this is what a transistor can represent, 0 or 1. And if we do, this is, so 1 bit will be like this, 1 box. That could be 0 or 1. If we have 8 bits, we have 8 boxes. Yes? So we have 8 boxes. They can be 0 or 1. So it could be 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And this will represent a number. And because each box can have 2 different values, so for a uint, yes, for a uint 8, we can have 2 to the power of 8, yes, 2 for 2 values to the power of 8 minus 1, because every integer starts from 0. So this will be from 0. This will result on 255. Yes? So this uint can go from 0 to 255. And this will be for uint 8. But for example, a uint 16 can have values, yes, uint 16 can have values on the same logic from 0 to 65,535. Yes? So this is kind of the range we have in uint, or how you calculate, what is the logic to calculate the range for this number. I will put in here. So this is 2 to the power of 8 minus 1, and this will be 2 to the power of 16 minus 1. Okay, so this is how we declare the values. For example, let's declare some uints. For example, I will have these uints. Yes, so we have uint public my uint, and this will be an alias. Yes, I will increase here. This will be an alias for uint 256 by default. And uint a public my uint a. This is a uint a. Yes, a uint 16 public my uint 16. Public we saw in previous video, that means it will be accessed by anyone in the blockchain, and it will create a getter function. Yes, anyone can query this value. If we want to assign the values, we can do for example my uint, and we can do the equal operator, and we can say, okay, this is 42, and then we can do, for example, let's see what is complaining. Expected identifier. We can assign like this: uint a equals 42, for example. Or we can assign uint a here equals 255. Yes? Or we can assign this as the maximum value of 65,535. Okay, so this is the introduction for uints. So next video we are going to see what are the operations we have to be careful with this kind of types in Solidity, and what are the consequences on these operations. So I see you in the next video.